guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the rocker panels of a 2014 Mustang. Now this is a 2014, but these instructions should work for all 5th generation Mustangs. That'll be from 2005 to 2014. This one in particular is a V6. So how did this happen? I was in a parking lot and I was doing 10 things. I had a million things on my mind and I totally forgot that I was parked beside a curb, and I backed out and went completely over the curb and it completely took off the rocker panel. In fact, I got out of the car and had to walk up the street to go get the rocker panel. There was no dignified way of doing it. So here is the rocker panel, and of course it spans the length of the inner part of the vehicle. It's attached by 2 types of pins. Now I guess 3 if you're counting this one. That one did not come off, so I'm going to just leave it there. I didn't want to pull that out. But the main 2 types that's attached with is this one right here, which is this little gray one. Usually, well, if you look for these on Amazon, they're white, but these are the originals and they're gray, so I left them. And the other one are these. These are rocker retainer pins, or rocker molding retainer pins, or tree pins, as some Amazon descriptions call them. And actually for these, I'll put the link in the description for Amazon, exactly which ones I bought. These were only $13.99. I called Ford about getting some more pins for it, but they were very unhelpful. They said, oh, you know, we need the VIN number, we need the model, we need all this information. But I'm like, seriously, there can't be that many of these types of pins. And they swore up and down that I wouldn't be able to find it anywhere else but Ford. But the problem really I had with Ford was the fact that those pins, they sell them in limited quantities. So on this vehicle, you're gonna need, I don't know, I haven't put them on yet, but I'm gonna guess at least 8 of them. But they only come in like in a pack of 4 or 6. So you're gonna need like 2 packs, you know, for each side. You know, plus if you're having to replace the other pins, which are commonly bought together, these, that's another charge. I think they only come for like 1 or 2 at a time. And so at the end of the conversation, pretty much the guy's like, yeah, you're gonna owe at least $50 in pins. And I thought that was bullshit. And so I went on Amazon, and sure enough, I found them no problem. One good thing is that these pins, they didn't break off. And so, like I said, people usually buy them together, but these didn't come off. And I'm gonna flip over the molding here on the inside, and they're gonna fit, turn around here, they're gonna slide right into these grooves right here, right here, right here. In fact, I got really lucky that the molding came off in one piece, like nothing cracked at all, nothing's broken. The only thing that did happen slightly was this piece, it was loose. And so what you're seeing down here, this is super glue that I just super glued on there, and now nothing's wrong with it. And so the other pins, so the tree pins or retainer pins, they're gonna go into here. So that's where those are gonna go. So hopefully this is a really easy and quick repair. And now my goal is to take this little opening right here and slide it onto this. So the molding will have to start from here and slide forward to fit inside this. Okay, so it's up. That was actually a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. You pretty much just hold it up here, and I just kind of hit right where the pins are, and it looks like it's holding it. Now we need to secure it with these. Okay, so I got one pin in. Now I'm going to show you where it goes. This pin, if you'll follow the molding under it, you'll see these little holes. You know, the video might be upside down, but that's where it goes, right under there. and you just press it, and it goes right in. All right, and you'll do that all the way down. Now, once you've finished all of the pins underneath, there are 2 more at the very front here. And then that's it. Everything's on. You're all done. One last thing. As you can see, I didn't use all of the tree pins that were in the package. Actually, I don't need them anymore, so if someone out there does, I'll be more than happy to send them to you absolutely free. Just shoot me a message on Instagram and I'll get them out to you. I'll even pay for the shipping as long as you're in the United States. Just a little something to say thank you for your support of the channel and subscribing. Good morning. So, bit of a happy, sad day today. Sad because this will probably be the last day that I have this Mustang, my little project car. But happy because a family in need's really getting the vehicle. My friend's family's had some emergency family situation, and they need a vehicle right away. So I am going to, so I talked to my friend and we decided to let them take this vehicle, and it's about due for an oil change, and it's dirty as hell, but it beats not having a vehicle, especially when you're a family with kids and way more priorities and responsibilities than I have. Oh, look, a Huracan Performante and Verde Menta. So beautiful. Oh, I'm not even watching the road. Yeah, so this has been a great vehicle, and I'm more of a Chevrolet guy. And my dream car when I was a kid was a Camaro, and thankfully I was able to get that when I was 17, 18 or something like that. But I was always a Chevrolet guy, and I never liked Ford. But I have to say, this car has been really good. I mean, apart from regular maintenance, and yeah, it has had some weird things that happened to it, but you know, it's held up a lot better than some other vehicles that I've had. And I guess just spending time with the vehicle and being in it so much and working on it so much, you do get a attachment to it. And so, you know, it's going to be really sad to see the car go. But again, who knows? Maybe I'll see it again. I don't really know what the situation is with my friend's family, so I don't know if they need it for long term or short term. Who knows? But right now I know that I need to get another vehicle. And yeah. So anyways guys, just a quick video for you, because I'm heading to drop it off now. So quick one last look inside this 2014 Ford Mustang V6 convertible top. Actually, the convertible top actually held up pretty well. A little stretching of some elastic parts. I won't forget that sound. On all Fords still have that sound, that warning sound. She's saying, I need this. What do you want? Always, I need this. She needs gas. Yeah, the convertible tops held up well. No leaks in it. So this has been a great vehicle. So I don't know. Weird short video for you guys, but anyways, I'm just a little sad to see it go. But on to the next thing, right? We always have to have change in our lives to move forward, right? So let's keep going. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.